Hi everyone! I am Mark Ryan Soriano Lozada, a proud graduate from the school, now College of Information and Computing Sciences, with a degree in Bachelor of Science in Information Technology back in 2012. With God's grace, I was able to be part of SICS as an IT college lecturer for almost 5 years, which I considered as my stepping stone in my career. Currently, I am working as an Information Systems Analyst 2 for the Department of Environment and Natural Resources here in Marinduque for 8 years now. As an Information Systems Analyst 2, I am tasked to design, develop, and maintain the official website and all databases and information systems, as well as oversee the network infrastructure and CCTV system of the office. Currently, I also hold various designations such as the head of the ICT unit, that focal point on ICT, and back TWG head of the DNR Penro Marinduque. This journey has been a testament of the dedication and hard work invested over the years, with a solid foundation laid by the SICS. SICS equipped me not just with invaluable IT skills and knowledge, but has prepared and empowered me to become an IT professional and a public servant with confidence and competence. Drawing from these experiences, I would like to share some advice with the young generation of IT professionals, especially the students under CICS, that as you navigate the ever-evolving landscape of technology, remember that success is not just measured by individual accomplishments, but by the impact we create and the lives we touch along the way. Finally, embrace every opportunity to learn and grow, both professionally and personally. Stay curious, stay hungry for knowledge, and never shy away from challenges.